Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get HTML code from Adobe XD. Adobe XD is a powerful tool primarily designed for user experience and user interface design, as well as prototyping interactive experiences. However, it does not have a built-in feature to directly export your designs into functional HTML, CSS, and JavaScript code. To bridge this gap and transform your visual designs into web-ready code, you will need to utilize third-party plugins. These specialized plugins work by analyzing the various elements and layers within your Adobe XD artboards. They intelligently interpret your visual components, such as shapes, text, and images, and translate them into corresponding web-friendly code. Many of these tools provide extensive customization options, giving you significant control over the structure and styling of the generated HTML, CSS, and even some JavaScript, ensuring a tailored output. Several excellent plugins are available to help you convert your Adobe XD designs into code. Anima is a highly regarded option, known for its ability to generate responsive HTML, CSS, and JavaScript directly from your designs. Another popular choice is Web Export, which offers robust features for developers seeking clean and semantic code. Both tools aim to streamline the handoff process, producing high-quality, production-ready code. For the best results, begin by organizing your Adobe XD artboards with clear layer structures and consistent naming conventions for all elements. Once your design is complete, use your chosen plugin to generate the code. Always test the exported HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in a web browser to ensure everything renders as expected. You may need to iterate, refining your design, or adjusting plugin settings to achieve the desired output.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.